Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain first, second, and third person in the singular and plural form. The first, second, and third person of pronouns also can be represented in singular and plural form. You see the table means first person, can be represented in singular form, singular and plural. See, in singular form, it is given I, me, I, me, my and mine, my and mine, I, me, my and mine. In plural form, we, us, our and ours, our and ours. Student, last day I explained first person, second person and third person are pronouns. Today I am explaining that first person, second person and third person also can be represented in singular and plural form. So this is the one simple table. I have to represent the first person in singular form and first person in plural form. In singular, I and me, my, mine. Plural form, we, us, our and ours also. Second person, singular and plural. Second person, you, your, you, your, yours, you, your, yours. Plural also, you, your and yours. See, second personal pronoun in singular number also the pronoun can be represented you, your, yours. Plural form again same you, your, yours. So you in singular and plural both can be represented in same type, and your, yours, yours. So dear student, our second person, you, your, yours in both singular and plural. And in third person you can see in third person as singular masculine gender, singular masculine gender, as singular feminine gender, singular neutral gender, singular neutral gender, and plural and singular common gender, singular common gender, and plural common gender, plural common gender. How can we present the third person? Singular masculine gender, singular feminine gender, singular neutral gender, singular common gender, and plural common gender. How can we represent? First, singular masculine gender you can represent as he, him, his. He, him, his. Singular feminine gender she, her, she, her, hers. She, her, hers. And singular neutral gender it, it, it. All the way you can use it. Sorry, here it's it, its. So in this way you can use this as singular neutral gender. Singular common gender. How can we represent singular common gender? Singular common gender as one, singular common gender. Singular common gender one, ones. And plural common gender they, them, their, theirs. So there is then in third person singular masculine gender he, him, his. Singular feminine gender she, her, hers. Singular neutral gender it, its. Singular common gender one, ones. Here apostrophe s, ones. Last plural common gender they, them, their, and theirs. So in this way you can represent as third person in masculine gender, in feminine gender, neutral gender, common gender, and plural common gender. You can represent this chart. It is given also page number 26. Also you can see in your book. Now I am explaining exercise 1. Exercise 1. Pick out the personal pronouns in the following sentences. Pick out the personal pronoun in the following sentences. You should pick out personal pronouns. First sentence is, we should respect our national flag. We should respect our national flag. Our national flag. So here you see we also pronoun, are also pronoun. So only you write personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is we and our. We and our. In second sentence, you can do anything you like. You pick out only you. You is pronoun. Second person are pronoun. Third, she admired us for the services we had provided her. In third sentence, mark she, us, we and her. She, us, we and her. You mark this. So in this way you can find out pronoun in exercise 1. I will give the solution after that, explaining some exercises. Next, exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with correct personal pronouns. Exercise 2. fill in the blanks with correct personal pronoun. See, first given, you are taller than. You are taller than. Me or I or me. Which is correct? You are taller than me. You are taller than me. Like that. Second, let dash work together. Let us work together. Let us work together. Third, I am younger than. He, him. I am younger than him. Like that, you can try to do exercise 2. I will give the solution of exercises. So, tomorrow I will explain exercise 3. So, dear student, for today's class, thank you.